Hi everyone, I'm Hallie. Welcome to Ledger and Lace. This is going to be a show and tell of a custom guest book that I designed with plenty of room to add more guest books in for weddings and etc. etc. Anyway, so the theme is horses, and here's the spine. This is the back. And of course I did a blue ribbon for a blue ribbon. Lots of blue ribbons. And let's dive in. Here we go. Okay, so this is scrapbook paper. This is in honor, this is for a memorial service for Pat, and this is Pat. And it's a traveler's notebook, so it has the elastics here. So like I said, we'll dive into this in a minute. Here's another insert that is just blank paper. And then here's another one, which is lined paper that has been printed onto parchment paper. This is actually a picture. I took a picture of Pat's address book, and this is what it looks like. It's kind of famous. Well, I think it's famous there. Okay, this is a back pocket that will hold cards and pictures and whatever else they want. So, lots of room to grow with the elastics, but that's what we have so far. So let me set this aside and I'll show you the inside real quick. Put that there. Okay, so there we go. There's Pat. She was very horsey and she was very British. And so here's the inside, and I just used, I didn't do a lot of embellishing, but that is Union flag washi tape, and then there's Queen Elizabeth, although that's an Australia stamp. But here she is on her honeymoon. She went to India, so I have some India stamps. There's another picture of her there. I'm not going to show everything. I'll show her the younger ones, but not the ones involving family and stuff. But there she is on another horse. And more stamps and pictures. And there she is with hubby. I'm not sure if that's the wedding picture or the honeymoon, but I love this picture. How gorgeous is that? That just captures a moment. And here's a couple more of that. And I just put a photo frame around, like a Polaroid, for that. And another horse stencil and more green, which is the theme. And there she is. Now, some of the pictures that my friend sent me were already distressed because it looks like this got splattered with blue fountain blue fountain ink from like the 50s or 60s or whenever that was. And so here she is teaching. She used to say, heels up, toes down. What was it? Toes up, heels down. That's what it was. And then as you were cantering, up, down, up, down. All right, so this involves some other family photos, which I won't include. But here's a pen loop in the back. And then there's the back. And if you open it up, that's just the whole picture there. And I put a little tassel. I no lace in this one because, you know, she was very horsey and proper and British and not really lacy. So I made a little tassel for her, and then we can put whatever we're going to put in here on this plate. This is actually, these are from Nick the Booksmith. And I just have a whole bunch of them printed out that I fussy cut and then just put on journals or whatever. So I'll have a link down below. That's part of her, I can't remember, planner kit maybe? Or another, I'll find out, and then I'll have a link down below. So, okay, that's it. There's your flip through, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.